Alright, it has come to the time where we're about to light off this Nailhead. Now, I've got braking instructions from Classic Car Connections. Dave Gaines sent these over. I've got the engine all ready to go. We've got fuel, we have got spark, we have got air. On this side, we've got the gauges from within the car to see voltage, oil pressure, temperature, tachometer on the bottom. So break-in procedure, 5.5 quarts of Rotella 15W40. 1 bottle of zinc. Prelude the motor by spinning the oil pump clockwise. Do it until the oil comes out of rockers. 180-degree thermostat, leave it in there. Use a laser temp gauge to verify the temperature. It says keep the radiator cool and spray it with a water hose. We're in the dead of winter here, so we've actually got cardboard to help get up to operating temperature because I think we'll need to come up rather than go down. Start the engine, run for 15 to 30 minutes at 1200 to 1500 RPM. All right, let's see if we can have a carburetor fire. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking out the alternator because we tried to crank it up and there was no fuel. After a good long time, everything was dry. By taking the alternator off, I should be able to get to the fuel pump. Here's the pump that's on the car. Can't really push it down. Here's the one off the parts car. I'm gonna try this.
Go ahead. Yep, go ahead. Keep going. Stop! Man, we is good to go.
I wasn't able to get the car started initially, but really that's my own fault. I tried to just throw the distributor in there, turn it a little bit without timing it to top dead center. So what I've done is we have removed the alternator bracket and the air compressor so we can get to number 1, which is on the passenger side of a Nailhead. I have bought a better timing light. The timing light that I had was a 40-year-old one from Western Auto that just didn't cut the mustard and didn't work for me. I also bought a brand new fuel pump instead of using the one off of my parts car, and that way I can know what age it is. So let's give it another try, actually having this thing figured out where our top dead center is and having the distributor in the right place. See if we can get her started. All right, we have had a great break-in. Now there are only a few things left to do before this thing can get out on the road. First, we're going to change the break-in oil. We're going to remove all the used up Rotella. We're going to put some new Rotella in. We're going to change the Wix filter for another Wix filter. We're going to put in some zinc treatment. And then we're going to clean out the coolant filter. There's going to be some metal in it. I was told not to worry because you can't get a block all the way clean no matter how much you hot tank it or use rifle brushing. Then we're going to throw the exhaust system on this thing. We're going to adjust the carburetor, put the hood on. We're going to take it out on the road. Thank you so much for watching.